How to verify your Discord account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can verify Discord account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First off, launch your Discord application in a mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your Discord account. After you're logged in, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on new icon. Once you get to this page, again navigate to top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Under settings, tap on account. Here, if your account is not verified yet, under this email, they'll have a notification that says not verified. So to verify your email, tap on it. Here I have already verified my email. Now to change it, I again have to verify the old email address. But in your case, if you have not done the verification yet, you have to verify it through the verification code. So to receive the verification code in your email or your Gmail account, tap on send verification code. Now you have to check your email. There you will receive a verification code from Discord. All you have to do is type in the correct verification code right here. There I have my verification code. Then tap on next. So if you have entered the correct verification code, your account will now be verified. So that's how you can verify your Discord account, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.